Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making hummus quesadillas. So hummus quesadillas are a vegan version of quesadillas. They're using hummus instead of cheese. So all you need is flour, corn tortillas, hummus, and olive oil. So let's open a package of tortillas. And I'm going to make 2 quesadillas at a time. That's how many will fit in the frying pan. So let's take a tortilla and we're going to spread hummus. So I just need to spread it on half of a tortilla and then fold the other half over. So hummus acts like cheese, it just glues the quesadilla together. And now I will make one more. So take a tortilla, spread hummus on half of a tortilla. And fold it over. So now the quesadillas are assembled and ready to cook. So to cook them, I'm going to go to the stove. And now let's heat the oil in a frying pan. So this is a non-stick frying pan, so use as little or as much oil as you like. And I'm going to turn the heat on high and add the quesadillas. So they fit perfectly in a frying pan like that. And now let's wait for the oil to heat. When it starts simmering, then you'll know to turn the heat down to medium-high. So now we just wait. Now you can hear the oil simmering. At this point, you can turn the heat down to medium-high and watch the quesadillas closely so they don't burn. So once the oil is simmering, it takes another minute for it to brown. And when it browns, then we'll flip them over. Now the quesadillas are brown on the bottom. So at this point, it's time to flip them over. And now cook on the other side for 1 to 2 minutes. Watch them closely so they don't burn. So when it's brown on both sides, then the quesadillas are ready. Now the quesadilla is brown on the other side as well. It was very quick, took less than a minute, so make sure you always watch them closely. So we can just remove the quesadillas to a serving plate. And this easy, healthy lunch or dinner is ready. To serve the quesadillas, you can slice it into wedges if you like, or you can just eat it as a big piece. The easiest way to slice the quesadilla is to use scissors. It might look a little strange, but once you try it, you'll never want to use the knife. It's just so easy. Look at that, super easy. They're so tasty. And you can also serve it as an appetizer as well. So again, this is hummus quesadilla, no cheese, just tortilla and hummus, vegan. Now let me try it. Look at this crispy quesadilla. Tastes amazing. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.